Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the NoIZZY Box Cube XS portable speaker. On the front of the box, we can simply see the name of the product. On the right hand side, we have some of the salient features which include Bluetooth, aux, NoIZZY Box Connect app and TWS functionality. On the left hand side of the box we have the different color variants in which this speaker is available, and the white one has been ticked, which means that we have the white one. Underneath that we have a couple of QR codes to connect us to the Noizzy Box Connect app. The left hand side QR code is for Apple devices and the one on the right is for Android devices. Right at the bottom we have an email address for inquiries. There's nothing on the bottom. On top we have some imagery showing that this product is made in India. The back of the box simply has an image of the light brown variant of this speaker. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the speaker unit and the charging cable. Let's get done with the charging cable first. Here we have a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The cable is approximately 28 inches long. Coming to the speaker unit, we can see that it has a beautiful white wood grain like finish running all across the speaker. On top we have the Noizzy Box branding. On the front we have the speaker driver unit, which has a copper colored ring that is right in the middle. On the back we have the various buttons to control the speaker. The power button is on the top left. The two buttons on the right are the volume up and volume down buttons, and the one on the bottom left is the play and pause button. To the right hand side we have a 3.5 mm audio input, and underneath that we have a micro USB charging input as well. On the bottom we have four anti-skid legs or pads on which the speaker can be placed. That's about it in terms of what we get in the box, so let's get started with using the speaker. To get started, we will power the device on using the power button on the back.
Power on.
Since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it goes into pairing mode automatically, as we can see thanks to this LED light right here. Next up, we need to go in the available devices section of the Bluetooth menu and select the one that says NB Cube XS. Tap on it to begin the pairing process.
Connected.
Now that the device is connected, we can see that it is ready for media playback and for calls. We can also see that the battery level is at 80%. Now you can use the speaker to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Noizzy Box Cube XS portable speaker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.